Hey everyone, it's Angela with Earrings by Angela, and I just wanted to drop in and show you this leather punch because we will be making a lot more projects on this channel using leather, and so you definitely want to grab one of these because it's going to make your leather creating with leather so much easier, right? So I love this because it has what, one, two, three, four, five, six different size holes. And so for this right here, you need like a tool. I don't have, like, I don't know how to use screwdrivers and stuff like that. No, that's a lie. I just don't really own any. I know how to use them. I just don't really own any. That's why I got a guy for that. No, I'm just kidding. But I use a butter knife. So I don't know. It is what it is. But so this is the wheel that turns, and I loosened it up so I wouldn't have to use the butter knife in my demo. But this is the wheel that turns, and it makes it so easy to punch holes. So I want to show you the different size holes. But here, look at this. You see, let me see if we can get it. Yeah, you see this in the middle that's hanging out? That's kind of hanging right there. That's that leather from me using this punch so much that it climbs up there. So I just usually just pink it out. Oh, it pinked out by itself. So, and then sometimes it gets clogged like right here. So I'll just use my fingernails to pull that out as well. I was going to say something gross, but I love messing with my grandsons. So I'll be like, let me get this booger out your nose. I'm just kidding, y'all. That was too far. Okay, too far. So let's do it. I have a piece of leather here. And and you guys, you're gonna get some strength in here because sometimes the holes are kind of hard to punch. So put your might into it. Ooh, and you'll hear the crunch. So that's our first hole. So if I have rivets or anything this size, I can, use it for that. It's so many. Yeah, we're gonna be learning how to use rivets and all that jazz with this. So I'm just turning it to the bigger size. I love it. Mm. Well, let's see. This one doesn't really want to go. I have not eaten breakfast today. I gotta stand up, y'all, to get this. I don't use this hole. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna look. I'm not about to sprain my wrist, but that's the hole that it would make. And sometimes you gotta. This is a really thick leather, so I probably shouldn't have used this one, but that's the size hole that it would make. You get an idea, though. It makes so many different type of holes for the different type of projects that you're going to use. So that is how we use our leather punch tool, and I'm telling you, it's really cool because you can cut this off. If I were just to cut this piece off into, a rectangle, whatever, this hole is where I would put my ear wire because then it would be like an earring, right? So you can do so many things. You get it. You're an intelligent bunch. I love you guys for it too. So if you plan to work with leather, I do have a leather course. I will, and I think it has 7 or 8 projects along with a downloadable workbook um, to answer any questions and help you more in the leather department for beginners, you guys. So I will put that link in the description. And you guys, happy creating. I'm so excited. If you're not part of the EBA family, hit the subscribe button and let's do this. Add a comment, um, questions, any projects that you want to see when working with leather and whatnot. And I will see you in the next video.